Look at this. So beautiful. Ay, mayroon nga. Ay, nakikita mo. Let's take a closer look. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Typical Greenery, and for today's vlog we're going to Quezon City Circle to hunt for plants. From Commonwealth Avenue, I am taking the underground pass, going straight to the circle. And here we go! Upon entering, there is a bag inspection, and the single-use plastic bottles for water are no longer allowed inside. Ayan na. Kita ko ng mga halaman. Ayan, dito nga siya. So, liliko tayo dito. But look at this. So beautiful. Color purple. Ano ko nakakita ng ganito? Dahil close po yung street na yun, so I decided to move forward. It's been years na rin po kasi since my last visit dito, so medyo I'm a bit lost. Parang close yung bilihan ng mga halaman. Not sure ako kung dito or baka doon sa may nagpa-badminton doon sa dulo. As a reminder, hindi na po ina-allow sa loob ng circle ang single-use plastic bottles. You may use your own container like tumbler or jars. Nasa ano ba yun? Let's just try to roam around. I still haven't found the way to the plant shops. Perhaps they are no longer there. And see if I can find them. Just keep walking. Sarado nga lang siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan yung bilihan. Wala na sila yata. Kasi parang may kino-construct na something. Parang siya mga cabbage. Ayan. Parang siya small pond. Just fun. And the rest are common plants like this. The landscape. Yeah, let's try that one. Laki. Ayan siya. And the other one. So heart-shaped siya. I just don't get it. Parang maliit na saging. I don't know if abaka or what. Ganyan siya. I don't know. Parang kakaiba din naman siya. I don't know kung anong tawag. Hindi naman siya apple. But just the different colors. Look at the leaves. So, nag-iiba siya. And the other one, yeah, I don't know what's the name of this plant. Perhaps hindi pa siya. Ano, palmera, ganun. And this one. But look at I don't know, abaka ba siya or what? And of course, yellow bush natin. And this one. And the purple thing. Tingnan natin sa loob. Ay, this is a vegetable garden nila. Ito yung vegetable garden. I think that's an up and come pet chai. Saka anong tawag mo? Alugbati. And the rest ganun din. May okra din sila, mga seedlings din. Here's a bromeliads. Ito yung kakalimutan ko yung tawag nito. Dati pinaglalaro namin ang bulaklak niya. Sinisip-sip namin yung matamis. I love this thing. Ang ganda. Kailang bagong turn lang siya. Ayan, sa ilalim niya mga violets. This is silvery. I don't know kung hindi, ganyan talaga siya. And meron siyang charan. May surprise din siya. Ay, ito meron ako nito sa bahay. Ayan. Gusto yung plant niya. So avoid planting that in your garden with malikot na kids. So this one, tingnan mo siyang ilalim niya. It's red. Look at that. My pond. So ang cute ng pond. Look at the pan. Let's say parang may mga isda naman siya, pero I don't wanna they are going nearby. Ay, mayroon nga. Ay, nakikita mo. May isda siya. Oh, yun. This is beautiful. Yung way na yun, may akyatan patawid doon. So, tingnan mo. Tawid siya doon. Punta tayo doon sa paakyat. And let's see kung saan siya lalabas. Yan yung papunta sa wildlife Quezon Avenue. Tatawid ka dyan. Yan yung tawiran. But I'm not going there. Kasi hinahanap ko yung mga tindahan ng plants. Look at this. Mukha lang siyang maple ang dahon. Pero hindi naman siya maple. So try natin i-identify the light. Let's take a closer look. Yung maki plant, and they consider it as a conifer. They're the family of fir tree. Maki plant. Maybe siya for landscaping. Look at the leaves. Panibata pa siya. Pag ano na siya sa ilalim. Maganda naman yung pavement na ganyan. So the grass will grow sa mga gaps nila. And prevent soil erosion as well. At dahil kinapos na nga po ako ng oras, binalikan ko na lang yung naunang tindahan na nakita natin kanina. And ito mas. Well, sa tagal ng ikot ko, ito lang ang nabili ko. And ayan. Saka ito. Ayan. So may palibreng pot sila ate. But this one na wala. Pero okay na. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great and wonderful day. Bye bye.